Yeah, now we will be doing about the particular arithmetic expressions, that is arithmetic expressions for class 12. And in the arithmetic expressions, what we have, that is the types of arithmetic expressions. So first of all, we know the types of arithmetic expressions. Yes. So what are the type of arithmetic expressions? Yes. Can you tell me what are the types of arithmetic expressions? Yes. Yes, there are three types of arithmetic expressions as given below. You can find the prefix is there, prefix expression. The operator is placed before the operands. Yes, just over here. Example, plus AB. So this operand is A and B and plus sign is before that. That is called the prefix. Even in prefix in the multiplication sign is there XY. So this is prefix. Division sign before M and N, that is prefix, as the operator is placed before the operand, that is M and N operands. So it indicates that the operation is performed on the two operands placed adjacent to the operator. So it is adjacent to the operator. You find multiplication sign, asterisk sign over here, and x and y is side by side. So this is prefix expression. So you must be knowing which one is prefix and which one is infix. So infix means like it is in between. So this form of expression, the operator is placed in between the operands. So you find that A, B are operands, and they just placed the particular operator plus sign A plus B, so plus sign in between. That is an infix expression. Similar way, M and N, the asterisk sign of the multiplication sign in between M and N. So this is also an infix expression. So prefix before, infix in the center, and then we come the postfixed. That is the expression, the operand is placed after the operand. So example you give AB, the plus sign is after. Why this is important? Because if you are told to change from infix to postfix or postfix to prefix, you have to understand which one is infix, which one is postfix, and which one is prefix. So it indicates that the operation on the operands is performed by the operator placed before it. Yes. And you see where is this system is also called the Polish form, that is developed by the Polish mathematician belonging to Poland. So infix expression, so prefix in infix expression, the operator is placed after the, you will find that the expression, there is a prefix is there, infix expression is there, the operator is placed, yes, after the operand. So infix, postfix is after. So postfix is after. So in infix expression, what happens? The operator is placed not in postfix, yes, in postfix. So this is postfix. So in postfix expression, the operator is placed after the operands. Yes, that should be the clarity. So the postfix means post means after. In postfix expression, the operator is placed after the operand. So for example, x a b, you write operand is there and the particular operator is after. So ab plus xy is the operands, are the operands, and after that you have minus sign, that is after the operands. So you find that the operator is after. In a similar manner, the into or the asterisk sign mn postfix, after mn we find the sign, that is multiplication, etc. like this. It indicates that the operation on the operands is performed by the operator placed before it. Yes. Okay. So now this system is also called the Polish form, as it was developed, Polish form as developed by a Polish mathematician belonging to Poland. Now we come to the rules, how we convert an infix expression into prefix or postfix forms. So enclose the parts of the expression under the parenthesis according to the BODMAS rule. Very important, BODMAS. Bracket of divide, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The system express the contents of the bracket by using the operators before or after the operands to convert into prefix or postfix form accordingly. So you behave according to the particular form that will be transferred to. As the whole expression gets converted, remove all the brackets. That is, the converted expression in prefix or postfix form must not contain any parenthesis. I give an example over here. You see the parenthesis is made here, and the last instance the parenthesis is removed. So one example is given here. Convert the given infix expression. Infix means in between, in between, in between. You find in between the operators are there into prefix though, so it will come before. Okay, before the operands. Yes. So conversion into, and it will be according to the bracket has been made. Yes, multiplication, then division. You see, BOD MAS. So BOD B bracket. So BO D D C over here D MAS. So that will be converted. So we make this as like this. So multiplication and the whole thing. So one by one, first division is there, BOD, then multiplication, then addition. So this is made, and then it is done. The particular, this is infix, so from here it comes over here. So star B C, star means multiplication, and D is already there, no problem. So we have the whole thing. This will be coming there, and over here it is done. So A plus this expression is there, and we remove the brackets and find the resultant expression, that is, convert the given infix expression into the prefix. This is prefix. Now come to the postfix. So this is into postfix form. So that is there. So postfix form means postfix. So it will be coming, the operator will be coming after the operand. So over here, just see, this will come here. See, this is according to the BODMAS rule. So this will come here. This has come over here. The multiplication sign over here, it is already from here, it is coming over here, and you will find this particular this bracket has been removed, and so this bracket goes back over here, and the expression, the particular you see this plus sign is here, the plus sign goes back over here, and the brackets are removed as it was told, the parenthesis will be removed. So this is a conversion, and which is always there in your examination. Yes, so be careful and do it nicely. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you everyone for just going through and try to understand any problem you face. Okay, I'll be giving more examples so that you will be able to understand more nicely. Thank you.